functional art, wearable art, art.
Hey, what's up, dude? Nah, nothing. Playing with my new keyboard, debating what's next. You know, the usual. This thing's awesome, man. I am a fan. I'm also a fan of my little streamer deck thing here. What are you up to? Yeah. What? No, I was supposed to do a... But... Come on. Dude, it's way too early. I just sat down. Stand by. Where'd all this come... What the... Who? Hi. Hi. That's you. Hey, big fan. How did you get... Huh. What? Oh, there's my other keyboard. You know, if you wanted, I could have emailed 8BitDo for you. And Silkland, for that matter. And ARGB, and, well, we don't have the other people yet, but... Wow. You got some stuff here, huh? So I guess you heard. Which means I guess I gotta get back to work? Alright. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. That's cool. That's interesting. Huh. AirGoo, yeah. Well, you know how to pick cables. You certainly know how to pick a motherboard. Ryzen 7. Okay. Alright. Coffee shop around the corner. Hazelnut. 2 pumps. Come back in a little bit.
Level up.
I have yet to see them. I've only seen pictures. NJ Sneaker King. Again. You saw the case. I almost... All right. These are wild. These might be the wildest ones yet. These are the Nike Verde SBs. And they're furry. Keep it clean, people. Furry. I'll get you close-ups. Furry. They look, I'll give it a second. They look straight out of Monsters, Inc. Tell me I'm wrong. Furry, all purple furry, well, whatever, light purple. I hear jingling inside. Oh, excuse me, sir. Yeah. A couple different color laces here to match. We have the yellow. They got a blue that looks, Hydrangea, blue-ish, green, and the yellow that's already on there. I'm coming around because I want to show you the inside. The tongues are very thick because they are SB. It's kind of dark. I'll get you close-ups, sorry. But, NJ Sneaker King, again, for the win. There is no, look, I'll wear crazy stuff sometimes, not often, but I don't know, I don't know if he'll wear them. I don't know if I could. So these are the Nike SB Verdes, and yeah, he never ceases to amaze me to pull a pair of sneakers. Yeah, I'm doing something Hydrangea blue, kinda with a theme. We'll get to the theme, and yada yada yada. And he's like, "Yeah, I got something." Yeah. Sneaks and Geeks USA, always full of surprises. And we got a couple big ones coming. Those are being worked on. There's a lot of collaboration going on with 3D printing and airbrushing, and that's a whole nother thing. There's a couple down the road we're working on, hopefully soon. Hopefully within the next month or two. Verde SBs, be right back.
ラムネのピンビーダプの宇宙ラムネのピンビーダプの宇宙ピンポンレイテンシー画面の向こうピンポンレイテンシー画面の向こう指先残るシロップの粘土シロッ 不可能の速度砂糖の霧視界を塞ぐインポートラグ奇跡を待たず甘い痛い脳が焼ける甘い痛いスコアが跳ねるハイパーシュガー視界の果てまでハイパーシュガー命をかけてヒップホップすり抜けヒップホップすり抜け虹の向こう
Wrap this up. Hey everybody. I was out to dinner, so hence the non-hoodie porterhouse. Nice. Anyway, welcome back, Sneaks and Geeks. We're here to wrap this up. Psycho, and not Psycho, Psycho. Tokyo Ghoul. For you anime fans out there, this one's for you. I lifted up the tower a little bit just to give it a little stature. Thermaltake Tower 250, Ryzen 7 9700X. We got the 9060 XT 16 gig, 32 gigs of crucial RAM. Don't get me started about RAM. Well, you know. The Verdi SB. NJ Sneaker King. Again. Thanks to our sponsors, him being one of them. Harold Gerlaw, Elite Surveillance NJ, AirGoo, RGB lighting. Oh, I almost forgot. Again, they come through. Thank you, Silkland, for some more cables. The best cables in the biz. Go get yourself some. They're on Amazon. Links will be in the description. 8-bit do for another controller. Our keyboard mouse combo. That's my little do everything mouse with. You know, clickety clack, love it. This one came out great. I did some sakura flowers on the glass to give it a little more, you know, a little more elegance. I'm winging this one because it's actually nighttime. No coffee, no caffeine right now. I'm not high. Anyway, you know, as I say, the build score is always, you know, my thing. And Thermaltake is the best at that with the towers. This one's no different, except because it's smaller, it is a little, you know, tedious cable managing. So just be aware of that. Again, thank you to everybody. We are closing in on 10,000. There's going to be a trivia question. We are going to do a Jordan 4 thing for you guys. Right, Babs? Babs over there. For those of you who've never seen Tokyo Ghoul, Saiko, she's a gamer, a foodie. She likes to play video games and snack. Who do I know that does that? This guy. Anyway, thank you again for tuning in. We appreciate all the support. And we have some new cases coming in. There's one behind me. I'm going to do an unboxing. And it's really cool. I just don't know how we're going to theme it out yet. But anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. Please, not enough comments, guys. I have a lot of ideas. I don't have them all. So if there's a pair of sneakers you're interested in, if there's a theme or something, it's my favorite part. My favorite part of this whole thing is putting a list together, getting a color scheme together, getting a Funko Pop or some kind of figure, and having some fun with that. We're building computers with the sneakers. And once again, as I will repeat this till I'm blue in the face, pun intended, Hydrangea blue. Functional art, wearable art, it's all art. And it just so happens to look good together. And that was the idea from the beginning. And that's what we're doing. So Saiko is kicking butt right now with her little hammer. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. See you soon. Be well.